Cambridge Chescott and I play wheelchair basketball for Angle Supports and North Wales Knights. A little exercise I'm going to show you today is we do 4 corners of a square. You can use weights or water bottles or whatever just to mark them out. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here, stop the chair, reverse, stop, other side, stop, and reverse. And then another version you can do is you can number the spaces. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can get someone that's with you to shout out numbers randomly. So I'll do it with my mum now. She can shout out some numbers.
3, 2, 3, 4.
Get the point. I messed up a bit then, but it doesn't matter. And then if you're a bit more advanced, you can use a basketball and bounce it as you go in. You can obviously do this in your basketball chair, but if you're doing your normal chair, just be careful that you don't fly out backwards if you haven't got any anti-tips. So yeah, that's the exercise.